Friends, today your job is to collect ideas for your personal narrative that you're writing in class. So you can choose to either use the idea chart that I sent home with you, or I've also attached it onto this assignment, or you can go ahead and create an idea map. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you go to the Add or Create button, you would go to Create New, and you get to create a drawing. Okay? And once you've created that drawing, you get to create an idea map like this. So Melissa created this idea map, and it's basically, so if you think about a special place that you have, it could be your house, it could be our school, your classroom, it could be the playground outside the school, it could be a special park that you go to all the time. It's something that's really close to your heart, okay? And so if you look at Melissa's, she created her house. It looks like in her yard. She has a chicken coop, a rooster house, the family tree. They have a little playground out here. So all this cool stuff. And if you notice, she's got these red X's everywhere. And those red X's mark where she had a really important memory that she could go ahead and write a personal narrative on. And then here's another example. So this is from Nautica. She has her garden out here, her shed, tree, and her deck, okay, and a fence. So, and she has a couple red X's. Now, if I was creating a Google drawing about so here's a bunch of different ideas. So say I wanted to create a Google drawing about my house. I would think of my house that I grew up in. So I'm going to create shapes, use my shapes here. And again, it's like an aerial view. It's like you're looking down on your house. And my house was like this beige color. And if you double click, you can type. So okay. And outside our house, we had a big tree. Kind of funny because there's a big evergreen tree that we got for Arbor Day when we were kids. But this is my brother Brock's tree. And it's the only one out of all four of us kids that survived my dad's lawnmower. And now it's huge. So that's a special place because we always have family picnics and family get-togethers there. So I'm going to put a red X by Brock's tree. It's a special tree to our family. Okay. Ooh, I can make it, nope, I don't want it like that. I want it skinnier. There we go. And a red X to mark an important memory. I also, growing up, had a dog named Holly. And here was her little dog house. And it was just white. Holly's house. You might have to change the size of the text. Okay, and Holly was a huge part of my growing up years. Let's see, we also had a shed outside in our backyard where we created a loft space and had so many fun. We had people over to sleep over, and we strung lights up around there. It was just a really fun, kind of like a loft fort. So again, I can think of a specific time where my sister actually tripped and fell and from the loft, and she hit her head on one of the wood bars and had to get stitches. So I could write about that. And so that's really what you need to do. And just call it your name idea map. So hopefully that can help you bring back some memories, and you can write a personal narrative based on this idea map. Good luck and have fun.